Hello, hello, welcome to this tutorial. Here I will demo how to extract data from an Autocad drawing. We need extract coordinates and other data from an existing drawing for many reasons, such as to use in other applications like GIS for analysis, documentation, surveying with total station, and moreover avoid any errors due to manual entries. Open the drawing. Now I want to create one block so that later on we can extract properties from this block. So type the command block, save this block, give a name, select insertion basis point, and select the objects. Now save this block to a location for later use. Now type data extraction in command line and check create a new data extraction. Click next. Save the new file to a location. Click next. Select the objects which you want to extract. This time for this demo only we want to extract boundary, pillar and points. To demo you can see the block which we have created, but for this demo keep it unchecked. Now select the properties which you want to extract. Here the position x, position y, position z, x, y, z coordinates we want. So uncheck others and category filter, and check all except geometry. Click next and you can see the coordinates. Now save this output in XLS format to some location for further use. If you like this presentation, please like and subscribe my channel.